Hey guys, welcome back and welcome to a new segment called Is It Noob Friendly? What I will be doing is following a tutorial that I find online, probably YouTube, maybe Instagram or Pinterest, and we are going to try to answer the question, is it noob friendly? Can a noob do it? Can somebody who's a beginner accomplish this look? So that's what we're here to find out. Starting out, we are doing the Everyday Warm Matte tutorial by An Knook. I will include a link down below, and let's say over here, a picture of the finished look. And I'll try to include some screenshots kind of what she looked like in the tutorial at the end of each step. So you can see what the progress is like and see how much I am failing at it. So why don't we jump right in? Get these things off. My eyelids are already prepped and primed. And primer's dropping on the floor. So we're going to start out, she started out with a transition that she actually found too light, but it was, I should say, she used mostly the Modern Renaissance palette for her look, which I do not have, but I was able to find most of the colors she used duped in the ColourPop Yes Please palette. So that is the palette I'm going to be using today, plus one other ColourPop single that I happen to have. I didn't do an all ColourPop on purpose. That just happened to be what I had. So if you have the Yes Please palette and then this kind of a warm transition shade, then you can definitely do what I'm gonna do. Even if if it's not Wake Up Call like ColourPop. Anyway, let's jump right in. So she used an Anastasia Beverly Hills single that she had in Fresh. So what I will be using instead is Full Zip from the Yes Please palette. So I actually also use that to set the primer on my lids, but whatever. We're just trying to follow a tutorial here, so let's follow the tutorial. So I'm not going to worry too much about getting this part perfect, because even she said in the tutorial that this shade ended up being too light to use as a transition shade for her. Okay, so having not worried too much about that, she also used the same brush, I believe, to double up on that transition. She used Makeup Geek Creme Brulee as her transition shade, so if you have that, you can use that one as well. And I'm going to use that ColourPop single that I have, Wake Up Call, to stand in for it. So we're going to do the usual that we do with a transition. Going to concentrate it on the outside and sweep it all through the crease to make something good for everything else to blend on. Alright, let's go to the next step. Next, she used the Modern Renaissance Burnt Orange to build up the crease, and for that I'm using Big Cocktails in the Yes Please palette. So yeah, you can see it's a little darker and more orange. So we'll get a little bit smaller of a brush for that one. I'm going to use this Wet n Wild as well. It's a little bit smaller, more precise, and go into that one. So let's build up this crease. Okay, so we got burnt orange in the crease. This is what it looks like so far. She used Red Ochre from the Modern Renaissance palette, so we are going to use Spoiled from the ColourPop, which is this one. We're going to get a kind of more precise brush. It's a little dirty, don't look at me. We're we're going to work that into the crease in the outer V. We're just kind of deepening that up. Ooh, I like that. Yeah, we'll get a shader brush and we will work that same shade onto the lid and pack it on. I think she got her other shades a little lower because I feel like it's looking like it's a different color. Wait, there's probably other shadow on this brush. Let me get a different one. We're going to use this Wet n Wild because that one looks clean. Yeah, that seems different. Okay. I think there was some other shadow on that brush. So there's that lid, and we'll see what the other one looks like. Hopefully it's not too different, so I don't have to like take this off before I leave the house, because that would suck. Ugh, it does. Clean your brushes, folks. Wonder if there's anything I can do to fix that without having to just wash it off. I think I mix. Actually, let me just, I didn't need to just get that same brush again. Where did I put it? So at least they're even. So that's gonna make it not quite look like what it's supposed to. But that's just how it's gonna be. Gonna be a little dark. I also, let me get that original brush. I want to kind of blur out these edges over here and up into the crease too. Don't want it to be harsh on our vibes here. Okay, and then what did she do? I think she went into red ochre again to get that lower lash line. So we'll get, actually I'm going to use that Wet n Wild because that can also be used as a smudge brush. I'm just going to get the tip there and smudge it out there. She went into burnt orange to blend out that lower lash. This isn't what she used, but I'm going to go ahead and use this concealer brush. Mostly because I'm just trying to get out of the dang house. And then, you know, I'm sure she put mascara and eyeliner and everything on. But I'm not going to bother with that because, once again, I'm trying to get out of the dang house. So let's put on our glasses. Well, let's compare the two first. So here's this, and there's hers. What do you think? Did I do it? Did I do it? Is it Newb friendly? You tell me down in the comments. Subscribe, thumbs up, bell, all that jazz, and I'll see you next time. Bye!